Welcome to Sofra, your essential guide to Turkish and Mediterranean hospitality, right in the heart of London. Located just moments from the energy of Oxford Street, Sofra Restaurant offers a delightful escape into rich flavors and welcoming service. Sofra is a long-standing London favorite, renowned for its generous hospitality, diverse menu, and inviting atmosphere. The menu reflects the full breadth of Turkish culinary tradition, embracing vibrant Mediterranean influences for a truly wide appeal. Sofra is the perfect spot for everything from a relaxed breakfast to a lively group dinner, offering an ideal balance of casual and vibrant. You'll find Sofra conveniently tucked away at 1 St. Christopher's Place, a charming pedestrian enclave that provides a peaceful retreat from the surrounding city bustle. Enjoy a welcoming and lively escape, perfect for unwinding after a day of shopping or sightseeing, yet still conveniently close to transport links. Let's explore the heart of Sofra's offering, starting with the Mezze selection. Mezze are small plates designed specifically for sharing and conversation, ideal for groups who love sampling diverse flavors. Enjoy classics like creamy hummus, smoky baba ganoush, crispy falafel, and refreshing stuffed vine leaves, all celebrating fresh ingredients and traditional spices. For heartier appetites, Sofra offers an impressive selection of satisfying mains. The main courses are inspired by deeply satisfying Turkish comfort food and well-loved Mediterranean favorites. Highlights often include slow-cooked lamb tagine, traditional moussaka, freshly grilled seafood, and flavorful mixed grills and kebabs. One of Sofra's distinctive features is its all-day dining concept, ensuring you can visit from morning to night. Early mornings feature Turkish-inspired breakfasts like shakshuka and simit, along with olives, cheeses, and a classic English breakfast option. This versatility makes Sofra an ideal meeting spot, whether you're looking for a quick lunch, a leisurely brunch, or a sociable evening dinner. Sofra prides itself on accommodating a variety of dietary needs, making dining easy for everyone. You'll find plenty of vegetarian-friendly, vegan choices, gluten-free selections, and halal dishes available. This flexibility ensures Sofra is a convenient and enjoyable choice for mixed groups with differing preferences. Finally, let's look at what diners are saying about their Sofra experience. Many praise the generous mezze portions, flavorful grills, and the welcoming ambience, highlighting it as an enjoyable oasis near Oxford Street. Find Sofra at 1 Christopher's Place, London. We look forward to welcoming you for a true taste of Turkish and Mediterranean hospitality.